Parents, are you spending your precious free time searching Pinterest and Google looking for activities to keep your 4 to 5-year-olds entertained and learning? Are you overwhelmed and asking yourself questions like, what do kids even need to know at this age? And how do I play with my kid? And what screen-free activities are out there to keep them actually engaged and learning? Hi, I'm Ashley KZ. I'm a kindergarten teacher and a mom of 2 busy kids. And my mission is to inspire a love of learning in young kids through fun, hands-on activities that are simple to do. I created the Fun Club when I realized I was going to have to homeschool my 4-year-old during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I really wanted this to be a time for us to bond and not a time for her to be doing worksheets. My task? Make learning fun for her, but simple for me. I figured I'd burn out if I had to do more than one 20-minute activity a day, but that I could handle. The Fun Club is a progressive pre-K through kindergarten curriculum where parents receive a weekly packet that includes 5 hands-on activities that cover reading, math, and social skills. Unlike other programs, there are no worksheets and no extensive supply lists of books and paints and a million different kinds of paintbrush or markers. Instead, each month has a short supply list that you use all month long. Like month 1, it's Post-its, blue painter's tape, and dot stickers. Super easy, right? You also get exclusive access to a monthly teacher's toolbox where I explain the method and reason behind what we're learning so you feel confident that you're teaching your child what they actually need to know. And you're not spending time correcting stuff that doesn't matter right now anyway. Most activities offer a way to make it simpler or harder so you can actually tailor it very easily to your child's needs. You can be sure that I'm here for you to answer any questions about your child and their learning because I love connecting with parents, and that's part of the reason why I created the Fun Club to begin with.
I can go on and on about Forward with Fun and just what a great program this is and how immensely helpful it has been to my family and I. It sends me my packet at the beginning of the week. I go to what day it is and it's all laid out for me right there. Instructions, setup, which takes like no time, and materials, most of which I already have here at home. And it just tells me exactly what to do. And it feels like you're playing with your kids. You enjoy it as a parent as well. And the biggest surprise for me has been just how much kids can learn at a young age. You know, we all kind of think of, the alphabet or counting, but it has taught her things like how to do measurements or how to sequence things in order, how to build patterns, just things I wouldn't have thought she could start learning at this age. Like the fact that it takes the pressure off the parent, how structured it is, and how little you actually have to do yourself is what makes this program just amazing.
Not only is the Fun Club super engaging for my son, it also gives me the confidence that I am teaching him the building blocks of reading and math without me having to do hours of research on Pinterest and Google because I don't have time for that. So all I have to do is read the very simple, direct instructions in the email that I get each week. And I know that I'm making the most of my time with him and we're having fun while we're doing it.
I was able to engage my kiddo in a way that honestly even toys didn't hold his attention because the activities that we were doing were so far beyond just the worksheets that we'd been relying on. We were up, we were moving, we were playing. It was actually fun. It was fun for him and it was fun for me. So don't wait, sign up. It's worth every penny and every minute you'll spend in the program.
Making learning fun at this pivotal age sets the tone for learning for the rest of kids' lives. So don't wait. Make learning fun at home with one simple activity a day.